Hi everyone, Marco here. Welcome back to the channel. It is raining outside, and I am sitting near the window, letting the moment slow down. Nothing special is happening, but everything feels present and real. In this story, we stay with one simple moment, moving through it slowly, step by step. The language follows the actions, the sounds, and the small details of this quiet evening in a natural and simple way. If you stay with the story, the moment will feel complete by the end. I'm sitting in a chair near the window right now, letting my body rest in a comfortable position. Outside, the rain is falling steadily, and the sound reaches me in a soft and regular way. Inside, the room feels quiet and warm, protected from the weather, like a small personal space where time slows down. The room is not very bright. The light comes gently through the window, filtered by the gray sky outside. Nothing feels sharp or intense. The shadows are soft, and the atmosphere feels calm. The sky looks heavy with clouds, but there is no feeling of tension in it, only calm and continuity. I'm holding my phone in my hand for a moment, scrolling slowly until I find the song I want. I press play, and soft music begins to fill the room. The sound is low and gentle, not demanding attention, but present enough to shape the moment. I place the phone on the table next to me, making sure the volume feels right. The music blends naturally with the sound of the rain. Neither one is stronger than the other. Together, they create a steady rhythm that feels comforting. I turn my attention to the window and watch the small drops of rain sliding down the glass. Some move slowly, almost carefully, while others move faster, leaving thin lines behind them. I follow one drop with my eyes as it begins its path at the top of the window. It hesitates for a second, then moves downward, joining another drop before disappearing at the bottom. I stay with that movement, noticing how simple and absorbing it feels. Beyond the glass, the street looks different under the rain. The colors are softer, slightly blurred, as if the rain is smoothing everything out. Cars move slowly, their tires making faint sounds on the wet road. People walk carefully, some holding umbrellas, others with their heads slightly down. I am listening to the music and watching the street at the same time, and both experiences feel connected. The rhythm of the song matches the steady fall of the rain. Nothing feels rushed. Nothing asks for my attention urgently. I lean back slightly in my chair and allow my shoulders to drop. My body responds naturally, relaxing without effort. The rain continues without stopping. It feels constant and reliable, like it will stay as long as it needs to. I look at the buildings across the street and notice how their windows reflect the gray sky. Some lights are on inside, creating small points of warmth in the distance. I imagine the people inside those rooms. Maybe someone is reading near a lamp. Maybe someone is lying on the couch, listening to music like I am. Maybe someone is simply watching the rain, feeling the same calm. The thought makes the moment feel shared, even though I am alone. There's no sense of urgency inside me. I am not waiting for anything. I am not thinking about what comes next. I adjust my position slightly in the chair, placing my feet flat on the floor, feeling the steady contact beneath them. The chair feels firm but comfortable, supporting my weight in a way that feels natural. The music changes to another song, slower and softer. I notice the sound of the piano in a quiet voice that feels close and intimate. I breathe in slowly, letting the air fill my chest and then breathe out just as slowly. I stay with the sound, allowing it to guide my attention. Outside, the rain becomes a little stronger. The drops hitting the window are larger now, moving in longer lines. I watch them gather and slide, creating patterns that change constantly. On the street, small puddles begin to form near the sidewalk, reflecting the soft light from passing cars. A person walks by with an umbrella, moving quickly, their steps careful on the wet ground. I follow them with my eyes until they leave my view, then return my focus to the rain on the glass. Inside the room, everything feels still. No voices, no movement, only the quiet presence of this moment. I place my hands gently on my legs and notice the warmth there. My breathing feels slow and steady. The music continues, each song blending into the next without sharp transitions. Nothing interrupts the flow. I look around the room for a moment. The walls are simple, familiar. A few objects rest on the table, each one in its place. Nothing feels distracting or unnecessary. The space feels balanced, as if it supports calm rather than asking for attention. I turn back to the window once more. The rain shows no sign of stopping, and that feels comforting rather than worrying. Time feels different now, slower and less defined. I think briefly about my day, but it feels distant, like something that already belongs to another moment. I am not planning. I am not worrying. I am simply here, allowing the moment to exist as it is. Another car passes by, its lights reflecting on the wet street for just a second before disappearing again. The music feels familiar and safe, like something I can trust. I close my eyes for a short moment and listen carefully. The rain and the music fill my attention completely. There is nothing else. When I open my eyes again, the window is still there, and the rain continues to fall. I feel grateful for this simple experience, being inside, being warm, being calm. The light outside slowly changes as the sky becomes a little darker, and the rain keeps its steady rhythm. I reach for a glass of water on the table and take a small sip, then place it back carefully. I return my focus to the window once again. The rain continues, and I remain in my chair, listening and watching. This moment feels complete. I do not need anything else. It was a quiet afternoon inside, while the rain fell steadily outside the window. I sat near the glass, listening to soft music and watching the street change under the rain. Cars moved slowly, people passed by, and the world felt distant and calm. I noticed my body relaxing, my thoughts slowing down, and time feeling softer. In that simple moment of music and rain, everything felt complete and enough. Repeat with me. The rain falls softly outside the window. The rain falls softly outside the window. The room feels warm and quiet. The room feels warm and quiet. Music and rain move together. Music and rain move together. I am calm in this moment. I am calm in this moment. Time feels slower right now. Time feels slower right now. I breathe slowly and relax. I breathe slowly and relax. The street looks soft and distant. The street looks soft and distant. Nothing needs my attention. Nothing needs my attention. I stay present and quiet. I stay present and quiet. This moment feels complete. This moment feels complete. Thank you for spending this quiet moment with me. I hope you enjoyed staying inside this simple scene and letting everything slow down for a while. Before you go, I would love to know, do you enjoy listening to music while it rains? Why or why not? You can share it in the comments. And if this kind of calm, story-based English helps you feel more confident, subscribe to the channel and join me on this journey, step by step. See you in the next story.